Good afternoon. My name is Anirudh. I'm from Bangalore. I've completed my BE from Eastman College of Engineering in the stream of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I've joined QSPIDERS in the month of February. Then my Python and Django was taken by Rajesh sir. My manual testing was taken by Prashant sir, and Selenium was taken by Subhash sir. Then I got 6 requirements from manual, out of which 4 were scheduled. Now this is my 4th company which I got placed. Now as a role of game tester. Thank you QSPIDERS Hebbal, and special thanks to Shamala ma'am and Revati ma'am who added me for these requirements. Thank you.